Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. We're gonna go over 5 sneakers I feel like you should buy before prices go up. Honestly, resale on these is really underrated right now. I feel like they're gonna go up as time goes on. So I want to talk about 5 sneakers I feel like could be everyday's low-key if you wanted them to be. But if you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And there's actually a giveaway going on right now. I'm gonna put the picture of what's being given away. There's a beanie, Supreme cards, and 5 box logos. Hey, go ahead and just click the Gleam link. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. There's gonna be no specific order in this video. I'm gonna just talk about the 5 sneakers that I feel like are lit. First sneaker is the Lightning 4s. I did a review on these and low-key I'm holding this GS pair. These are gonna keep going up. I've seen my size literally just keep going up and I still haven't bought my pair. I'm gonna get my pair, bro, ASAP, like no bullshit. After this whole Christmas New Year situation is over, I'm coming for these fucking Lightning 4s. This is the only one that I don't have in my size. At this point I might sell these bitches and just get my size. I'm trying to get my Jordan 4 game up. You would think this color is loud or whatever, but honestly I feel like it's something about this sneaker in general that you could just pull it off with anything, bro. It's so sick. Lightning 4's iconic sneaker, and right now in my size they're going for like $290. They were like $280, $270 not that long ago, and they're gonna keep going up, so I'm definitely gonna scoop these up soon. This is the one where I need to practice what I preach and cop this one. Lightning 4 right here, definitely a sneaker I would recommend picking up honestly sometime at the beginning of next year, because these are gonna go up and only keep going up. It's a beautiful sneaker. Next we have a banger, and it's a sneaker that I feel like a lot of people will agree with, and it is the cool gray Jordan 11s. These did recently release, you feel me? There's a review on the channel. I actually picked these up twice. You cannot go wrong with a pair of Jordan 11s. I feel like if you don't have these, I would say you can still try to hit for retail. There's gonna be a bunch of restocks. All shipments haven't hit for these, so make sure you stay tuned. Resale on these right now in my size is $330. Isn't that bad, I guess. You're gonna probably be able to get these at $290 to $300. Then after they dip, they're gonna start going up for sure. Once all pairs hit and everybody trashed their pairs, they're gonna start going up. These went straight to toe, bro. Like they had to. They just had to. I love these sneakers. Was waiting for these for so long, and I just feel like it definitely deserves spot on the list. These are gonna go up for sure. It's top 5 Jordan 11s. If you have a list with Jordan 11s, these have to be top 5 at least, bro. But yeah, cool gray Jordan 11s. So number 3 on this list is the Bad Bunny Forum Lows in the back to school colorway. These in my size are going for like $230, $240, and the details on these are insane. They have this double removable tongue. You could take this off. Right here it says Yo visto así, which basically means I dress like this however I want, basically. It has this draw cord on the back. Details on these are crazy. A lot of different pads, suedes, and leathers. Good ass materials. Has the little bunny at the bottom. The exaggerated collar on the back. It's like one of those luxury style sneakers. It has the little bag and everything. Extra tongues. I got a review on these that never made it. Low-key, I have 2 pairs of these. I got a video that has these included that's gonna come somewhere in the future, and I recorded it in the past. There's a lot going on. Like, y'all don't even be seeing all the videos I record. Yeah, the packaging on this is fire. Like, just everything in general. Solid sneaker for $240. Get these. There's 2 other colorways, the Easters and the coffee pair, and both of those are bangers. I honestly would love to have them, but they cost bread. So this is another solid colorway for a fraction of the price, low-key. So yeah, number 3 on this list was the Bad Bunny Forum Lows. Definitely a clean ass sneaker. You can tear these up, wear these up, hella comfortable. I low-key have 2 pairs of these. Fire, bro. Love this shoe right here. Next on this list is a shoe that's not even a shoe, and it's the Yeezy Foam Runners. This is the ochre color specifically, but there's a couple colors at this point. There's the vermilion pair, the MXRP looking ass color that came out with these 2. Let me know what y'all think of this color. They're reselling for like $170, $160. I definitely feel like there's gonna be more colorways. I haven't even done a full review on these yet, so I can't give my full opinion, but I want to see what these look like on feet. I haven't even even filmed a review on them. So I'm excited to see what these look like, and I might start doing more how to style videos with these sneakers. A lot more how to style content coming. How to do a lot of shit. We about to learn how to do a lot of shit on this channel. But yeah, these go hard. Let me know what you think about these hoes right here. These fossil looking sneakers right here, the Bigfoot joints, the hoofs, you feel me? Can I get a Humpty Hump? The Humpty Hump looking ass sneakers. Honestly, I already know that like the Yeezy slides, I'm probably gonna love the comfort on these, and that's gonna overpower the looks. And this sneaker or clog or whatever it's called is gonna make me come out of my comfort zone, because you have to wear some baggy shit with this. If you wear some skinnies with this, you're playing yourself. At least slim fit. You cannot go skinny with these. Just don't do it, because this is way too fucking wide for skinny jeans. Like, you're gonna look like a Aerodactyl, some Pokemon looking ass. Like, bro, you at least need some slim fit with this. These go hard. Let me know what y'all think of these. Last up on this list, we got the undeniable, honestly a fire sneaker, one of my favorite collaborations in general for the year, the Ma Maniére Jordan 1s. You cannot play yourself. These go hard, bro. I had to put them on the list. I feel like resale value being at $380 isn't that bad for a collab Jordan 1. Like, come on, Ma Maniére Jordan 1s, you get all this little luxury quality feels on this sneaker. It's definitely a beautiful collaboration. Honestly, I know paying resale sucks, but I feel like this is one of the sneakers that I would pay resale for. Like, I paid resale for the Ma Maniére Jordan 3s. Maybe it's just me, but the story behind the sneakers and everything like that just adds to the value. Both collaborations they've done so far are sick. I'm not gonna lie, the 3s go crazy. Like, that's probably one of my top 3 releases of the year. This isn't falling too far behind. Like, these are fire. They are a little bit on the higher price, but I feel like it's a Jordan 1 collaboration with Ma Maniére. $380 isn't that bad. If you go on eBay, you could probably find them for a little bit less, off for a little bit. They just restocked. Wait a little bit, but not too long. Like, as soon as you see prices starting to go up, get them if you really want them. You know what I'm saying? But these go hard. The cream laces on these slap. I think I'm gonna do one cream, one purple. I don't know yet. Still kind of debating what color I should do. It's fire, bro. Regardless, those were basically the 5 sneakers I had. There's one more honorable mention, and it is a Jordan 1. Obviously, Jordan 1s go hard. There's a lot of different ones, a lot of Jordan 1s releasing all the time, and one that a lot of people always forget about, and it's another one that I low-key have to practice what I preach. It's this Seafoam Jordan 1, bro. A lot of people slept on it simply because of the lace that they put on it. Literally just change the lace, it changes the sneaker. It's a minty Jordan 1. I low-key love these, and I might have to go back and buy them. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is one of the ones that I still feel like I need in my collection. I have a lot of colorways, but I don't think I have something similar to this. It's almost like a clay green, sage green, and I love that shit. So I'm honestly gonna go for these soon. Y'all might be seeing these on that wish list video. Hopefully I can make a video of me getting all those sneakers. That would be fire. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. You might as well, because there is a giveaway going on for that beanie, the Supreme mini playing cards, and 5 box logo stickers. All you have to do is subscribe. Just click the link and y'all gonna see what's up. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.